and welcome to DB Fitness. I am DBSA. I am the master trainer here, and now I'm going to show you how to lose weight and look great. We start by running. Now we're going to do a little bit of stretching. At DB Fitness, we have everything. We even have work with weights. I'm going to show you. You take this really heavy and you... And again. Very heavy, okay? Okay. Good job. Okay. And now, we're going to try something very, very hard. We're